Hello everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. I'm Aishi Gupta. Some people have sensitive skin, which gets irritated easily. Cause for this irritation are usually due to excessive exposure to sun or chemicals, which do not suit their skin. They face a lot of problems in choosing products for their skincare. But there are simple ways to get glowing and healthy skin with homemade natural items, which are not harmful and will not create any problems for the skin. So, let's get started. For first remedy, we need 1 tablespoon curd and 1 tablespoon oats. Mix them well until it makes smooth paste. Oatmeal is an excellent exfoliating ingredient. It also has anti inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which combined with curd, it makes for an excellent face pack that helps remove blackheads and pimples, giving you clear skin. The antioxidant and anti inflammatory properties help soothe dry and itchy skin. After applying this face pack, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. Now, pat dry your face with towel and napkin. As you can see, my skin is looking so fresh, and this face pack exfoliates your skin deep within and gives you clear and glowing skin. Next remedy, we need crushed carrot and 1/4 tablespoon honey and mix them well. Honey is the oldest skincare ingredient and has been used extensively for both medical and skincare purposes. It nurtures skin. Honey, particularly suitable for sensitive skin, is. On the other hand, carrot are known to treat skin alignments like acne, pimples, rashes, etc. Besides then, antioxidant content, they are loaded with beta carotene that works on healing scars and blemishes on skin. This face mask gives you all that glow that you need and treats many skincare issues. Now leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. Pat dry your face with towel and napkin. This face mask gives you all that glow that you need. This mask treats many skincare issues and gives you glowy skin. For next remedy, we only need a single cucumber and grate it and apply it on your face. It's really cold. Cucumber is 96% water, making it hydrating addition to dry skin treatment, as well as being generally safe for sensitive skin due to its lack of harsh potential irritating ingredients. A cucumber can help with the damaged skin, providing a cooling effect. While cucumber do contains vitamin C, K and B as well as antioxidants. That's great now. You can leave it 15 to 30 minutes. There's no harm in it. Dry your face with towel and napkin. Cucumber gives you fresh glow, soothes your skin, and hydrates your skin. It feels so fresh and glowy. Last but not least, for this we need half tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric, and 1 tablespoon curd, and mix them well and make smooth paste. Lemon has antioxidant, astringent, antifungal, and skin lightening properties, while turmeric can also be an important ingredient to fight acne or irritation on the face, especially for sensitive skin types. Some studies have even shown that it can decrease UV damage. It feels so cool and calming to apply on sunburn or an heat rashes. Curd is an excellent source of calcium, protein, and various vitamins. As any other pack, leave it for 15 minutes, then wash it off with water. I hope this remedy will help you for you. If you then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay young. See you in the next video. Bye bye.